Are you trying to go on a meat detox or are you just a vegan person and trying to come up with meals idea? Here's one, a delicious one for you. Curry split peas. First up, you get your split peas, you wash it, you can soak it if you want before boiling. After boiling, you pour off the water. I always boil with salt. Pour off the remaining water after it is completed cooking. Saucepan, you add oil, garlic, and your curry. Burn your curry. Then I will also add some pumpkin and Irish potatoes, saute them. After doing so, add water and season the pot. Then, if you're adding spinners like me, I love spinners in it. I will make some small spinners. That's dumpling. Saute your onions, bell peppers, tomatoes, whatever you're adding. After cooking the pumpkin and the spinners for a while, I'll now add the chickpeas. Combine the chickpeas into the already cooked ingredients. Mix it, combine it very well. Taste your pot, make sure that it tastes good. And continue stirring because the chickpeas will stick to the bottom of your pot, especially if it's a non-stick pot. So you continue to stir, put it on low heat and cover and allow it to simmer for a while. Remember, you can't allow it to simmer for too long without stirring it because you do not want it to stick and get burned at the bottom of the pot of your pot. It's a simple process. You can try it. If you haven't already, let me know how easy it was, or let me know in the comments if you will try it. Now that I have finished cooking, I will serve with some rice and vegetables. If you have made it this far into the video, please remember to like, comment, and also share. Once again, thank you.